Hey everyone, how are you? I've missed you so much. I know I sound awful, but I haven't had a voice in like a week and I am so antsy. I don't even know if I'll end up posting this video, but my boxes are piling up, so we're gonna try and get through this. I haven't talked in like 2 days. Now that I'm talking, I'm like, okay, this is a little bad, but I have my Bombay and Cedar here for February. And yeah, we're gonna try and make this quick. I am sorry if my voice is painful. I understand if you don't want to watch someone that sounds really sick. I am feeling better. I just have not had a voice, seriously, all week, and it's driving me nuts. Right now, both my Wi-Fi and my cell phone aren't working, and I'm homesick, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna try and film. I miss it. So I did my makeup, made me feel good, and I thought I could talk, but now I'm not sure, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna leave the pricing information, everything for Bombay and Cedar on the screen and down below. I'm opening up the premium box, so that one is a little bit more expensive. I do have a promo code with Bombay and Cedar to save 10%, so if you guys are interested, definitely take advantage of that. But yeah, this is one of my favorite boxes. I really want to open this and hopefully it'll make me feel even better, but let's see if we can get through this. So if you don't know what Bombay and Cedar is, it's like a lifestyle subscription. It's all about like wellness, aromatherapy. They like include all cruelty-free items, and I seriously get such unique stuff in this box. That's why it's one of my favorites. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like, and the theme is daring. Oh, my watch is going off. Oh, it's telling me that I don't have service. I know that. So we have a little booklet here inside. There's a little note from the editors, which I will not read this month for obvious reasons, and then it tells you what is in the box. I think this is the second month they've included this type of pamphlet. It used to be a little bit smaller, and now it gives a little bit more information. So it'll tell you what's in the premium and in the mini, what's only in the premium, and what's only in the mini if that is the case. And it gives you the value of everything, which I love. So, and it adds it all up for you too. So there are some variations in the premium box. It looks like the value ranges from $150.94 to $160.94, and the mini box value is $85. There's always such great value to this. So let's get started. Ooh, the first thing I see, oh, I've heard of this before. This is a facial cupping set. I've seen this like on people's bodies too, like on their back, but this is a 7-piece set with complimentary jojoba oil and silicone cleanser. And this is supposed to reduce fine lines and increase collagen. This is by Grace and Stella. And on here there's a quote that says, "I don't need therapy, I just need cupping." So you're supposed to apply the oil all over your face using the free silicone pad or your fingers, and then gently squeeze small cups and stick on temple, brow bone, and lips. Use circular motion on temple. Repeat 3 to 4 times. Gently squeeze the larger cups on the cheekbones, forehead, and neck. You're supposed to do this for 5 minutes, 2 to 3 times. So this comes in all the boxes and has a retail value of $22, and everything is in this little drawstring bag that is hot pink. Kind of hot. I'm gonna take my sweater off. So here's like the silicone pad, and here's one of the cups. So you just like put this, I think this is the bigger one, or this is like a medium size one. Oh, I have makeup on now, but there's like 2 little ones here. And then here is the jojoba oil, and here is one of the cups. This is what I pictured them all to be, like kind of more this shape. I want to do, here, let's see if I can like do it on my arm or something. I don't know, I'll fill you guys in next month. The past week since I haven't been filming, I've been like thinking about my channel and stuff, and I'm going to start doing reviews of the previous box when I unbox the next one, like at the end of the video, and I'll like leave timestamps if you guys are interested. So next month I will fill you in on this. I am so curious. I've never tried anything like this. Like I said just a minute ago, you get such unique items in this box. Man, I'm so sorry again about my voice. Just hearing it from my view, it's awful. But next up we have something by Brew Moods Unplay Aromatherapy Lotion. It is 100% natural scents, including calming clary sage. Oh yeah, my watch keeps telling me that I don't have service. Calm yourself. It's cruelty-free and vegan. This is huge. This is 8.5 ounces. Size of my head. Alright, there's the safety seal. Let's put a little bit on. My voice doesn't work, but I think my nose does. Ooh, yeah. It smells good. Where is this? So this lotion is in all of the boxes, and it is $9. Ooh, is this something you eat? Detox bites, charcoal and coconut, functional superfood. I could use some detox. Get all these germs out of my body. I want to be healthy. Grain, gluten-free, organic, vegan, and paleo. So we seem to always get a healthy snack every box, and I love that. And I always eat them right away, and I always love them. And I'd like save this so I remember to talk about it next time because I'm totally eating this after. So when I review, I mean. So this is a vegan nut and seed blend fueled by healthy fats and detoxifying superfoods and adaptogens. These small but mighty superfood bites help improve digestion and clean toxins from your system. I'm seriously eating them after this. And it is only 60 calories. I'm guessing this is in all the boxes. Let's see. Oh, it took me a second to see. So this is $6. Ooh, what is this? It says Happy Is, a note card kit to send a little sunshine. The kit contains 10 cards with envelopes and a how-to booklet. I feel like we've gotten something from them before. And on the inside it says, there are people in your life who shine in big ways and small ways. They go about each day bringing brilliance and joy to the people around them. Today it's your turn to send some sunshine their way. Oh, I love that. And there's like a how-to book, and then here are the cards in there. Let's see what one looks like. So they all look like they start with Happy Is, and then you open it. Oh, this is nice. I like how it folds out like this. And then there's a quote on the back that says, happiness not in another place but this place, not for another hour but this hour, Walt Whitman. These are so cute, and I love how like cheery and bright these cards are too. And this is only in the premium box, and it is $14.95. Oop, this thing fell out of this. So it was like this, what is this? Evio Beauty Hydrating Lip Gloss. Non-sticky, high in antioxidants, vitamin packed. And it's in the color, or the shade, I mean, Brook. I like the packaging and cute colors. So this could have been in a variety of colors, and it is $11. Ooh, I got like a berry shade. I don't know if I've ever tried Evio Beauty. I just did a big lipstick, like lip product declutter, like off camera because I couldn't speak, you know. Since I've seriously like been so bored, sick, and I saved a lot of my glosses. I like ones like this that have some color to it. I'm excited to try this out. I really like that. At first I was like, oh, maybe it'll be too dark, but that's pretty. I like that shade. I can probably even put some on right now. Let me grab my little cat mirror. I said I'd be like quick in this video, and I just keep talking. I'm supposed to go out to dinner tonight. I'm not gonna have any voice by then. Oh, I love this. It's not sticky at all, and it feels really hydrating. And I can use like all the hydration you can get. I feel like my skin's been hurting from being sick, you know? Also, I love getting makeup and stuff like that. And this is something I like could use all the time. I like glosses a lot lately. So every month we do get 2 essential oils, and it's in all of the boxes, and they're actually made by Bombay and Cedar, and they always come in a cute bag. This one has like, I don't know what that is. Is that like a minion? I don't know. Let's get this open. It also comes with some information for each of the essential oils. It'll tell you the benefits, precautions, and also what they blend well with. I love that. So if you have a diffuser at home and stuff, you can get some ideas of how to use it. So the first one, I don't think I have this. This is called Super Spice Turmeric. I have such a large essential oil collection. I love that they send such unique ones, like so I don't have duplicates. So this one is $12, and it says one of the most nutrient-dense spices in the world, known for its spicy, woody, and earthy aroma. It may be used to benefit joint pain, relieve anxiety, promote hair growth, and reduce blemishes, and much more. And these are 10 mLs each. And the other one is Stimulating Blood Orange. I love blood orange. I think I have just regular orange right now. I don't know if I have a blood orange. This one is $10, and it says it's from a breed of oranges that sparkle with rich, bright-like aroma, beneficial in clearing the lymphatic system. I can probably use it. Improving immune function. I could use that for sure. And lifting the mood and much more. Smells good. All right, got a couple things left. This is as seen in Cosmopolitan. Alarm, a super loud personal alarm. 115 decibel siren with LED safety light. Put it on a backpack, purse, keys, or leash. Push the panic button and the alarm sounds instantly. I don't have anything like that. That would make me feel so good, like when I'm out by myself. It says, we believe in being a girl, we believe in sparkles, crying at the movies, spending most of a paycheck on shoes. And it's a long paragraph, but it talks about being confident and stuff. So let me open it. It says it comes with batteries, and then it tells you how to replace them and stuff. Let's look at this. I'm not gonna press it, I don't wanna like scare people. I can hear like children playing outside. Maybe I'll try it though, yeah, whatever. They're yelling, that scared me at first. I always like think the kids I hear outside are like my cats, I don't know why. So this is what it looks like, so you can easily just hook it up into something. Okay, so wait, what were the directions again? What button? There's 2 buttons on there, I wanna know what one to press. It says press the red button once to activate the alarm. Press the red button again to stop the alarm. And to activate the safety light, press and hold the white button. So let's start with the safety light. Oh. You guys see that? Cool. So if you're wearing headphones or something, you're probably still not listening because of my voice, but I'm gonna press the red button. Shit, that is loud. Oh, excuse my language. I knew it was gonna be loud, but that just like shocked me. I like how you could like press it off right away. I mean, I was just about to say like I'm going to Starbucks after this in the bank, but I'm gonna bring this, I'm gonna put it on my keychain. Hopefully I don't press it too often on accident, but that is such a good idea, and it's really loud, and I'm all about safety. Take care of yourselves, ladies and gents. Like, that is awesome, and I don't have anything like that, and I have so much stuff. Yay! Oh, and I see some sheet masks. Oh wait, let me tell you how much this is and what it comes in. So this is in the premium box only, and it is $24.99, and you could have either gotten this or you could have gotten a safety hammer. So it's like an escape thing for the car. I already have one of those, so I'm really excited I have one of this. Like the hammers, like you can break the window if you're stuck, and also like the one I have, at least you can like slice your seatbelt. Like, I'm all about like knowing safety tips and stuff like that. Luckily I haven't had to use it, but let's move on to the sheet masks. These are by Midflower Rosa Damascena Biocellulose Peel Masks. There's 2 of them here. I use masks all the time. Wait, you wear it for 60 minutes? Wow, I've never used a mask for, usually it's like 15-20 minute max. You know, look there, it says 60 minutes. So this is what I'll probably do at night. A lot of times I do like masks before, like after I shower and before I do my makeup. But this is interesting. This comes in all the boxes. Okay, so if you get the mini box, you get 1. If you get the premium, you get 2 of them, and they're worth $15 each. So that's an expensive mask. Made with 100% natural ingredients. I'm super intrigued by this. So it's supposed to bind to dead skin cells. You let the mask dry completely, and then you peel it off, and the dead skin cells are removed thoroughly, reducing fine wrinkles and creating noticeably smoother skin in an instant. I might use this tonight. It's Friday, and I have a feeling I'm gonna have to cancel my plans because how I sound. I feel like as I keep talking, my voice is going, but maybe not. Maybe a drink is like, I'm gonna be even worse tomorrow, but next we have, last but not least, it looks like we have a little pouch here. Let's get it out of the wrapping. This is cute. It's by Shirley. It's an ivory, and it's a Tony zip pouch. And this travel pouch comes in the premium box only, and depending on the style you receive, it's between $11 and $21. I think mine's super cute. I love it. It has like, is it black or navy gold and ivory? And there is a zip. I feel like this has like a really nice like nautical vibe, like Florida. I don't know. And inside, this is what it looks like. Cool. And that is everything, you guys. I always love this box. It definitely is like lifting my spirits up because I've, you know, like I said multiple times, just been home sick, alone. But what am I'm excited about a few things. Okay, the cups thing, I have no idea how this works. I'm so intrigued. I mean, I'll have to take like an Instagram video doing that. So I'm really excited about that the most. I love the lip gloss I'm on. I am super pumped about this alarm thing. That was loud and powerful, and I will feel safer having that on me. I honestly like everything. I'm gonna go ahead and eat these in a minute. I won't eat them on camera. And love getting essential oils. The cards, this is so cute. I love spreading happiness around. The lotion smell good. The mask sounds really intriguing too. Everything is good. So overall, I think this is a great box. If you're still here, thank you for putting up with this voice of mine. I'm hoping I am back to normal ASAP and can get filming. I have a lot of boxes, and I know the March is just a day or two days away, and more boxes are gonna be coming in, so yeah, hopefully this voice is okay. I hope you guys are okay. I know a lot of sicknesses are going around, but anyways, I am going to no longer talk for the next few hours. Maybe the rest of the day. That's what I was told to do, is not use my voice, and look at me jabbering on for almost 18 minutes now, according to my camera, but I love you guys so much. Again, all the information for Bombay and Cedar is down below. I hope you have a great weekend. I love you so much. Bye, guys.